Hello, dear friends. Welcome you all. Our today's topic is growth. In this topic, we will know about the process of growth. An introduction. We all are surrounded by living and non-living things around us. Things which have life and can grow are called living things. Example, plants, animals, human beings, etc. Things which do not have life and cannot grow are called non-living things. Example, car, table, book, etc. So before we learn about the process of growth, we need to know about the different segments of growth. As you can see the picture of a plant, it's an example of a living thing. A human body is also an example of living thing. Book, which doesn't have life and cannot grow, is an example of non-living thing. Car is also an example of non-living thing as it doesn't have life. Now children, why we are talking about living and non-living thing if the topic is growth? Yes, I will tell you why. Because we all are surrounded by different things around us. These things can be divided into two segments, that are living things and non-living things. Well, the non-living things do not have life in them. They cannot grow. But the living things have life. They can feel. They grow by time. And that's why the process of growth only and only occurs in living things. So let us know about the living things first. Living things. Living things can move, breathe, eat, reproduce, grow, excrete, and die. So let's know about some examples of living things. A human body, a bird, an animal, a tree. These all are the examples of living things. Non-living things. Non-living things are just the vice versa of living things, or in a simple way you can say they are just opposite of living things. Non-living things cannot move, breathe, eat, reproduce, grow, excrete, and die. Examples of some non-living things are the gadgets around us, like a mobile phone, glass, a book, and a ball. These are the examples of non-living things. They cannot grow. Now the question comes, what is growth? Yes, I will tell you what is growth. The process of gradual increase, either in shape or in size, or the developments in a living being is called as growth. All living beings grow with time. So children, by time, all the living beings, they grow. The process of growth keeps happening in the living beings. So let's take few examples of it. A chick grows into a hen. Well, first you can see an egg. The egg gets hatched and then comes a chick. This chick grows into a hen or a cock. A seed grows into a plant. When we sow a seed, the seed germinates, and then after a couple of days we see a sapling. The sapling grows into a plant, and then the plant grows into a tree. Now children, you may arise with a question that the plants cannot move. So how they are an example of living thing? Well, let me tell you children, plants are also a living thing. Though they cannot move from one place to another, but still they have life in them. They grow by time. They can feel just the way we can. So that's why even the plants and trees are also an example of living things, because they grow by time. A baby elephant grows into an adult elephant. Here you can see a baby elephant. After a couple of years, this baby elephant turns into an adult elephant. And this is the process of growth that occurs in the animals, in the birds, in the plants, and also in human beings. So children, today's topic, the growth, cannot be concluded because this is just an introduction. In our next video, we will understand the process of human growth. How through different stages the human grows from a baby to an adult man or an adult woman. So before concluding the topic, let's have a recap fast. Things which have life and can grow are called living things. Example, plants, animals, human beings, birds, etc. Things which do not have life and cannot grow are called non-living things. Example, car, table, book, etc. All living things grow with time. Understand this children? All living things grow with time. A seed, just like a seed, grows into a plant. A baby elephant or the baby animals and the baby birds grow into adults.